Hey, in this video I'll show you pretty much everything you can do to fix the MMS not sending on an iPhone. This method works in 2023, it will work in 2024. So make sure you slap the like button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to help you out. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your SIM card on and your Wi-Fi. So go over to Wi-Fi, make sure that that's connected. Go over to mobile services. Under here, you should have your SIM card or an eSIM. Make sure both of these are checked up. The second thing you want to do is go over to General Software Update and make sure you have the latest version of iOS. Now that all of that is out of the way, you want to go down to Messages. So when you go to Messages right here, you want to have iMessages on, enabled, just like so. And then you want to have MMS messages here as well. Sometimes you want to have send as SMS as well, but keep in mind that the network providers may apply rates, so that probably won't be free. You can also click on iMessages app and make sure all of that is checked on, but this should work. If none of this works, let me know in the comment section down below your problem in iOS version. I'll try to help you out. But for a lot of people, just resetting the settings. So going to General, Transfer Reset iPhone, Reset, and just Network Settings. This should be good. If the video helped you out, let me know in the comment section down below. Again, Settings, go to Messages, and here you should see everything. Show contact, photos, send as SMS, MMS suggesting. So you should have send as SMS and send as MMS, especially send as MMS toggled on.